Yes, hope everybody is fine, right? And today I am here with another topic. Can you guess? Yes, let me tell you. So today I am going to discuss with you all about the topic reasons why your English was not improving. Yes, that is the thing. Reasons why your English is not improving. Yes, because you wanted to communicate more, you wanted to talk with the people more, and you want to interact with more people. Then itself your communication will be going to build in several manners. So that is the main reason why your English was not improving. Today this is the question and this is a topic that I am going to give you some suggestions and also some tips in order to improve your English more. Getting? Yes. The first thing was local consumption. Can you tell me what is meant by local consumption? Yes, which is the thing that we consume locally. Yes. So we always consume only the local language but not the international. But we do expect the language that need to come from us. The production that we're going to expect is international. Are you getting? Yes. The thing is, we are consuming locally and we wanted to produce what we have learned. That to be, we expect to be, it should be in international. It's a very wrong point. So, what we consume, the thing will going to get out from it. If we consume carrot means definitely we're going to observe vitamin A from the carrot. If we are able to eat only carrot, then how we can get vitamin C out from carrot? Right? It's not going to possible. So if we are able to consume only locally, we can only produce the local language. But if we able to consume the international language by listening to native speakers or listening to podcasts or listening to stories, yes, if we able to consume the international language, definitely we'll be able to produce the international language. Clear? So the thing is, we are failing to address, we are failing to learn the international language. So this is the first mistake everybody is going to do. Yes, moving to the second mistake. Being afraid of what others think about us. Yes, we do always able to think that what they will think, what they will going to do, and how they will smile, and what if we commit a mistake, and what if we spelt anything wrong. These are the things that always will get into our mind, right? Yes. So forget about others. This is the first thing. If we are able to learn a new thing, definitely there will be a lot of people who wanted to erase more. So instead of that, I want you to forget about others and start learning new. If you are able to learn day by day or day to day, so if you are able to learn by 1 week, they'll laugh until 1 week, and within 1 month, what they'll do? Definitely from 1 week to jumping from 1 week to 4 weeks. Definitely there going to be a lot of improvement in your speaking. So there's no one is there to laugh if the improvement is there. Then within 2 months, within 6 months, there's a lot of difference from here to here. Then the people who started laughing at you in the first week, then itself they're going to realize right after 6 months that they need to start practicing. Did you all get my point? Yes. Then the time that they're going to realize. Okay? This is the second thing, this is the second mistake that you're all going to do. So, consume internationally, and produce international language. And don't be afraid to all the people. Okay, so instead of to lose your fear, that means instead of to overcome your fear that what you have inside, start trying cow method. What is meant by cow method, ma'am? Do anybody know the cow method? Okay, let me tell you. Yes, cow method is nothing but I want you to start a sentence starting with the cow. So the end of the sentence, the word which you are getting, you try to start the another sentence with the end of the previous sentence. Yes? Yes, I think everybody are a little bit confused, right? Let me tell you. I'm going to give you a small example for this. Okay? For example, yes, cow has 4 legs. Okay, legs are used for walking. Walking with my friend makes me happy. Happiness is the key for my success. So where I have started from cow, and in the ending I have come for success. Is it or not? Is it or not? Yes, so that's the reason. So if you are able to if you are able to practice this one daily, definitely you're going to able to improve more. Yes, I want you to comment down everybody by using this cow method. Okay, moving to the next part. Yes, you are reading only the books that you have in your bags or you have in your homes. Is it or not? Yes. So, if you are able to read only your books, then what about the remaining outside books? If you wanted to learn new things, if you wanted to learn more things, then the thing you need to do was to read the books from outside, not what the books that you have known. Okay? You'll be already reading the books with what you have. If you try to start reading the books from outside like novels, magazines, storybooks, newspapers, there will be comic books, a lot of books, right? If you are started to able reading the outside books, definitely you're going to learn more things. You're going to learn new words. Your sentence formation will be improving. Your communication will be improving, and definitely your pronunciation will be also improving. So there's so many things in order to reduce all the mistakes that while we are doing in the speaking, right? Yes. So stop only reading the things that you have in your hands. Try to read the books more from outside. Try to read the books, new books, day by day. Ma'am, who will pay for our books now? Definitely I'm not going to pay anything for your books. I want you to download some of the books from your phones itself. In your mobiles itself, there will be so many books. Just before going to sleep, try to read at least one book. Okay, this is the third one. I'm moving to the next one. Quitting. As soon as you have started, as someone is harassing or someone is insulting us for our language that we are speaking, we always choose to quit. Is that a solution? No, definitely this is not a solution. The other solutions are so many. Instead of quitting from the thing that you have learning, try to pick up, try to improve, try to read more books. So what is the point of quitting? When you really wanted to start something, why there's a point of quitting? Why you need to quit? If you have a goal in order to reach, definitely how many consequences you have faced in the middle, you should not stop. Did you get my point? Yes. Whatever things that you are coming in the middle, you should not stop. You need to continue your walk. You need to fulfill your dreams. You need to catch the goal. Got it my point? Yes. So don't ever stop quitting. If you have started learning, in the same example, in the same scenario, in the first week that they're going to laugh at you. and in the 1 month there's a improvement. In the 3 months there's a lot of improvement. In the 6 months, in the 1 year, there's a big improvement in your English. So how many times they laugh? If there is a real improvement in your final destiny, definitely there's nobody to laugh, right? Yes. So don't quit if you are about to do something very big. Got it my point? Yes. And the last thing, no grammar. Got it? Yes. So without grammar we also can't communicate, and our communication does not improve, right? So while you wanted to improve more, you also need to learn grammar. What is ma'am? There are structures like subject plus verb plus object, subject plus has been, have been plus object, right? Do we need to learn now? No. There's a lot of structures in the past tense, in the present tense, and the future tense also. The thing I want you to learn is, if you are able to learn the structures like by hearting, it will be good, but it will take so much of time. But how you're going to form the sentence? If you are able to read the newspapers, if you are able to read the magazines, if you are able to read the storybooks, definitely if you are reading day by day, if you are reading, so you'll be getting. So this is the sentence formation that I need to maintain. So this is the sentence formation that I need to form. Did you all get my point? So try to read the books from outside, not only the subject that you are learning, if you really do want to improve your English. So yes, so this is my class for today. Reasons why your English is not improving. I have told you, if you are able to consume only locally, and definitely the production will be also local. Don't expect it to be international. Got my point? If you are able to consume the international language, then you need to expect the production should be international language. And stop being afraid of others, what they'll think, what they will do, and how it's going to possible. First of all, stop thinking about that and reading only the books that you have in your hands. Okay? And the next thing, stop quitting. And the last one, due to lack of grammar also, you will be facing so many problems. If you are able to read daily, you will be learning new words, you will be learning sentence formation, you will be improving in reading, you will be improving in pronunciation. Okay? So this is the class all about. So tomorrow I am going to come with another topic, and I want you to comment down the cow method in the comments. I want you to start a sentence starting with a cow, and the end word, in the sentence, the end word, you need to continue the same sentence with the formation of the end word in order to start the new sentence. Okay, so this is all for class today. Okay, I want you to watch the full video in order to know why your English was not improving to you all. Thank you all.